Welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this loaded baked potato recipe. It's so easy and so good. If you guys want to see it, you know what to do. Keep on watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Like the video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. How do you like this recipe? Without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. Please check the description box for the measurement. First thing I have here is 2 russet potatoes, and here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, and also we have a 1/4 teaspoon of dry parsley. And also, if you look on the right side, I don't know what happened. I didn't really show you guys. There is a 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter there as well. Here we have a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, ground black pepper, and also we have some dry parsley. We also have a teaspoon of minced garlic, a cup of heavy cream on the right side, and also we have 4 tablespoons of sour cream. We also have a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. We also have 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, and also you guys can see my shrimp on the far right. There it is. I have about 10 to 15 large shrimp here that is nice and clean and deveined, and we're going to get started with this recipe. So these are my potatoes. I washed them, scrubbed the dirt out of them. I'm going to prick the potatoes all over with a fork. Then we are going to add this to the microwave. Now you can bake it if you like, but microwaving it takes less time for me, so I'm going to microwave it. Before I do, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, just like so. Next, I'm going to be taking a wet napkin to wrap the potatoes with. By using the preset button in the microwave for potatoes, I'm just going to press that. I believe it's about 7 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a preset for potatoes, I suggest you microwave your potatoes for about 7 minutes. Check them out. If they need more time, you can microwave it again for another additional 3 minutes or until they cook through. Now I'm going to be seasoning my shrimp while the potatoes in the microwave. To season the shrimp, I show you guys the seasoning already. Like I said, check the description box for the measurement. We're going to mix all of our seasoning together and just pour it on the shrimp. Stir it together. Now, in a hot skillet, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, we're going to be adding our shrimp in. Now, for the shrimp, make sure you cook it 2 minutes per side, because shrimp can be easily overcooked, so we're going to be cooking it 2 minutes per side. going to be removing the shrimp, set it aside. Moving on, we're going to make a sauce for the potatoes, like a Parmesan creamy sauce. So let me show you guys how I make it. Now I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon of butter. Once that is melted, I am going to be adding in the garlic. We're going to cook the garlic until it's nice and fragrant and golden brownish. Then we can add the rest of the ingredients. And let me know how you're liking this recipe so far. And if you are new, please be sure to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. I do upload amazing recipes here at least 3-4 times per week. I'm sure you will enjoy them if you like this one. So please consider to subscribe and let me know you are new so I can welcome you in the comments. Now that our garlic is nice and golden brown, we're going to be adding our heavy cream. We're going to cook the heavy cream for about a minute. Then we're going to be seasoning it. To season, I am using the seasoning that I showed you guys. I'm using half of that seasoning though because I want to leave a little bit for the potatoes, so you'll see what I do with it later in the video. So we're going to stir that together. Then we're going to be adding our cheese. I'm using the Parmesan cheese, the 1/4 cup of the Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of the cheddar cheese. Not a lot, just a little bit, just to make it a little creamy and cheesy. Now that is done, we're going to set it aside. Our potatoes are nice and cooked and ready. So we're going to remove the flesh of the potatoes. Just use a knife to cut them straight in the middle and remove the flesh of the potatoes just like that with a spoon. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter in there. I love me some buttery potatoes, y'all. If you like buttery potatoes, give this video a thumbs up because I love the flavor of butter in my potatoes. Now I'm going to be adding in the sour cream as well as the seasoning that I told you guys that I was gonna leave some to season this potatoes, or you can just use salt and pepper if you like, but hey, I love flavor food. Why not? Now I'm going to be adding the cheese, some of the cheese, not all of it. Mix it together just like that. Now we're going to use half of that sauce that we made. We're going to pour it into there, mix it together just like so. And for the mashing of the potatoes, you can use a potato masher if you want, or you can use the back of the spoon like I did, which was very easy for me. Now I'm going to take the potato skin. I'm going to fill it in with the potatoes. Just add that in with a spoon. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the sauce on there just like that, and then I'm going to be topping it off with the shrimp, y'all. We're going to be covering the potato with the shrimp. Then we're going to add more cheese and more cheese and more cheese. And this is how I make a bomb loaded baked potato, y'all. It's so cheesy and so creamy, buttery, all in one. We're going to add some more of the cheese sauce on there, then bake these, okay? I am going to bake it on 350 just to melt the cheese and not to overcook the shrimp. So I'm going to bake it for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Also, I made two. Y'all can see this one look a little different from the other one. We're going to bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then once they come out, boom, look how gorgeous, look how pretty and beautiful and cheesy these looks. I hope you guys really try this out because this was definitely a hit. I love me some potatoes, y'all. Look how cheesy it looks. Yes, I love every bite of this potato recipe. Let me know if you're going to try this out in the comment, or how do you make your potatoes in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.